do with my other pick. So I put it over here. So I'm going to insert these picks inside this plastic sleeve that goes inside this fitting and try to pry the little plastic tab thingies back. So I think it helps actually push the connector on further to release the tab and then slide it back, and you might be lucky to get like one at a time, and then it'll come off finally.
Nice.
Okay. So yeah, there was no pressure, which there should have. I mean, the fuel pressure gauge should have shown if there was pressure. It's still on the rail.
So the tabs are 90 degrees from those indentations in there?
Yeah, I don't know if you can zoom in on it, but like there's a tab there, and there's a tab there, and you can see these are the indentations. So when you line it up, if you put your indentations on the top and the bottom like that, then you take these guys, which are these picks we made out of old screwdrivers, and slide them in there and push them back, and then you should be able to slide it off the rail line there. Now, the kind of trick is to actually get these guys in there is you need to push the connector on further to disengage the tab, because if there's constant pressure on the tab, it's likely you're not going to be able to pop it open. So if you push it forward, you're actually releasing the pressure on the tab enough that you can pull it to the side of the inside of that connector. And then once you get one, you might be able to easily pop the other one and then pull it off.
Then we didn't have to worry about any fuel pressure.
Well, no, for some reason, I mean, this car might have just been sitting long enough that the fuel pressure bled off. But this is an AFPR here, so I believe this should actually be showing fuel pressure that's currently in the rail, because it's what's limiting fuel from going back into the return. So if there's any fuel pressure in the rail, it should be showing on that guy there, which is showing 0. So that makes sense.